Alright you guys, so this is our friction experiment, and just from the setup maybe you can already tell what we're going to be testing. It's pretty simple, you could actually do this at home, but what I have set up is a ramp that I will leave consistent throughout the entire experiment. I have different materials to which when the car rolls off the ramp it will go across. Those materials are fabric, sandpaper, and just this really smooth table. So the way I'm going to do this is quite simple as far as procedure. I'm going to hold this up, and I don't know if you can see this up here, but I'm going to hold it at the very tip or top of the book each time. And then I'll give it a little countdown, 3, 2, 1. I'll release, the car should roll and come to a stop. Wherever it comes to a stop, I'm going to take that measurement from its furthest point forward, which if this were the case, it would be around 47 centimeters. I know this is upside down, but that's just the way it's faced. So 47 centimeters, all right? And then I would try it one more time on the same material. We're going to have 2 trials, and then we'll take the average. So we're going to do a little bit of math after this is over. And this will help us kind of better understand the idea that friction plays with things that move. You should know that friction is an opposing force. It goes in the opposite direction. It can generate heat, like if you were to rub your hands together. So if you haven't yet made your hypothesis for this experiment, now would be a good time. Which fabric, or I should say this, when I let this car go, on which fabric will the car go the furthest? Will it be the fabric, this one, sandpaper, which looks like this. It's very smooth sandpaper, I'll say, but nonetheless it's sandpaper, or the tabletop. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead, my car just fell apart. There we go, it just went back together. So know that not only am I dropping this from the same height and using the same ramp, but I'm also going to be using the same car every time. I think that's quite important, to keep as one of your constants. Alright, so again, 3, 2,